I didn't find here in the Philippines near me. So it's also expensive. Do you have a cat? If you have, I think I forgot. Yes, I have one cat, but the Bisaya cat, that's small cat. I want to have another one, the bigger one, the Maine Coon. Maine Coon or what's that breed? I forgot. I forgot the name of that cat breed. Basta the bigger one. And many long hair. Come on, sweetheart. Go. Run for exercise. Underneath your glove, 35. There's a endless story. Kuhang-kuha, oy. Come on. What's that? Oops. Don't so close to me. Backward a little bit, love. Go backward, sweetheart. Go. You're so excited to catch. Oy. You're not tired? Go run for exercise. She love catching. Catching. Alright. Thank you for bringing the ball back. You're doing a fantastic play. Oh, what's that? Backward a little bit, my sweetheart. Dali. Oh, see? Go backward. Backward, my sweetheart. Backward. Unsa man to, love, oy? Ah. Go run. Oops. Dirty na ron. Dirty na. Give me. I will clean it. Clean it, huh? Oh, what's this? Yeah, because it was raining. Come on, sweetheart. Just wait. Just wait, sweetheart, huh? I will clean it first. Birds. Hello, birds. Kiara is here. Birds. What are you doing there, birds? Hello, birds. Kiara is here, catching the ball. Birds. It's cloudy. It's cloudy here. Hello, birds. Where are you? Brother, where are you going? Brother Louis?